Hey everyone, my name is Ned. I'm the founder and CEO of 365. We've helped more than 3 million people worldwide acquire career-enhancing skills. Today, I'd like to share my perspective on the top career paths for finance graduates. This video is ideal for anyone looking to kickstart a career in finance and explore the various opportunities this field offers. But before we get started, I would like to ask you a favor. Please press the like button and subscribe to this channel. If you're interested in landing a career in finance, our videos will prove helpful. Perhaps I'm biased, but the first finance career option I'll mention is that of a financial analyst. Having worked as a financial analyst at Coca-Cola, I can confidently say it was an incredibly rewarding time in my career. It offered experiences that profoundly shaped my understanding of finance. A financial analyst studies revenue, development, and profitability on an ongoing basis. Working with sales teams or management to identify best-performing products, clients, and divisions in the business is a frequent practice. Financial analysts can identify areas that require corrective measures and ensure that the organization stays on the path of sustainable growth. The essential skills for a financial analyst include accounting, Excel proficiency, analyzing financial data, and presenting it to relevant company stakeholders. Additionally, skills in financial modeling, attention to detail, and a solid understanding of the business are crucial for providing value. Next, we have investment banking, one of the most sought-after career opportunities for finance graduates. Bankers help companies raise finance and advise on mergers and acquisitions. These situations are far from a company's ordinary life and require specialized assistance. Investment bankers' work often makes the headlines due to its significant impact on the economy and its high-profile nature. This isn't an easy job because it requires much effort, dealing with incredibly tight deadlines and meeting the highest performance standards. Additionally, investment banking offers substantially higher compensation than most finance careers and unparalleled experience in high-stakes financial transactions. To become an investment banker, you need proficient Excel and financial modeling skills and company valuation expertise. Investment bankers are excellent communicators and skilled at creating impressive PowerPoint slides. In addition, sound accounting and solid analytical abilities are a must. If you're looking to acquire the skills for a financial analyst or investment banker role, 365financialanalyst.com is the ideal resource. Check out the link in the description. The amount of venture capital, or VC, funding raised in recent years continues to grow steadily. Nowadays, landing a role as a VC analyst is possible even if you have little prior working experience. VC analysts dedicate much time to sourcing and screening potential investment targets. They're involved in deal structuring and due diligence before closing investments. A VC analyst needs good expertise in Excel and accounting. They must be able to read and organize financial performance reports that lack the structure of those from larger firms. Moreover, VC analysts must uncover potential red flags and remain vigilant throughout the investment process. One of the most crucial skills VC analysts need is a good business understanding and intuition. Valuation of startups with little revenue is fairly straightforward and significantly less important than the financial modeling and valuation skills required for investment banker roles. Another excellent job opportunity for a fresh finance graduate is an FP&A analyst. In this role, you'll manage the company's budgeting and forecasting activities. A budget sets goals for the upcoming year or years and outlines plans to achieve them. Forecasts are refined predictions for the current year based on available data. FP&A analysts work closely with sales teams and production to understand expected business developments and create accurate budgets. Despite their diverse specializations, all FP&A analysts share a common goal: to help companies efficiently and effectively plan their resources. This shared mission serves as the guiding light for the entire organization. The most critical skills you need to land an entry-level FP&A analyst job are Excel proficiency, robust accounting and financial reporting skills, and the ability to perform meaningful financial analysis and forecast figures. To do this job well, you need a certain level of financial modeling expertise and strong communication skills because you'll work with many organizational stakeholders. The fifth noteworthy entry-level finance job opportunity is financial consulting, a broad field that includes auditing, tax consulting, strategic financial advising, and risk management. Many of these opportunities are available at the Big Four auditing firms, PwC, EY, KPMG, and Deloitte. Each year, they hire thousands of entry-level consultants. This field provides diverse opportunities to apply analytical skills in various finance areas. You'll gain essential domain knowledge and can specialize in a specific finance sector. As you can see, there are several exciting career paths you can choose from as a finance graduate. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in identifying the best career paths for finance graduates. Thanks for watching.